Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 27th of June 2026 and here in London it's extremely hot. Now in the last few days we had a heat wave throughout the UK, so make sure to keep yourself hydrated and keep your plants hydrated by watering your plants twice a day, especially if you grow them in containers. In today's video we're going to talk about Uri Shim, flat beans. Now my flat bean plants are producing flat beans at the moment. They're producing Shim. In this video I want to show you how I take care of them and what fertilizer I use when they start producing Uris for me. I'm really happy to share with you my Uris are producing pods. These are beautiful looking pods. Soon they will grow into about 2.5 to 3 inch size pods. That's when I will be harvesting them. The plant, mashallah, looks very nice and healthy and is producing now. It's time to use a fertilizer that has high potassium. And normally I remove all the lower leaves, so if you have leaves at the bottom, remove them. It's best to use a scissor. So the plant can concentrate on the top. When your vegetable plants start fruiting, it's time to use a fertilizer that has high potassium. Now tomato feed usually have high potassium in it, so any vegetables that you're growing, peppers, chilies, that applies to bottle gourd, Kaddu, cucumbers. When they start producing fruits and flowers, that's best to use a tomato feed once a week, a liquid tomato feed. So I'm going to be mixing this. It can be any brand, just any tomato feed. So this one tells me I need to use 20 ml per 4.5 litre of water. So this is a 9 litre can or 10 litre can, so I'm going to use a 40 ml. Make sure to read the label properly before you use fertilizer. So once a week, feed your plant with liquid tomato feed once your plants start producing flowers and fruits. And not just Uri plant, you can feed your pepper plant with tomato feed, and tomatoes of course. Now if your container is very dry, dampen the soil first before you start feeding. And also your chilies, they would love the tomato feed. Once a week, make sure to dampen the soil first with normal water and then pour your feed onto the soil. Next week I should be harvesting them. Now let's harvest few vegetables. I'm looking forward to this pepper. Wow. Ah, this is beautiful. Highly rewarding when you grow your own vegetables. The satisfaction you get from it is unbelievable. Amazing. Hello, Lolly. Hello, beautiful. This is our cat, Lolly, and she's been with us for the past 22 years, would you believe it, 22 years. And mashallah, she's looking very healthy. Cats don't live this long. I pray she lives for another 10 years. Our first bottle got from the garden. I've harvested 6 from the greenhouse, and this will be first from the garden here. I don't want to leave it in the plant for too long, just in case it forms seeds inside. Still nice and tender. I think this is just the right size. Wow. Beautiful. It's amazing, isn't it? Wow, the satisfaction you get from it is unbelievable. Now you need to also use tomato feeds with your eggplants aubergine. And mashallah, mine's doing so well. It's producing lots of aubergine for us. On the next video I'll show you how to prune your eggplant to get the best harvest. So use tomato feed on your plant once a week with all your flowering, fruiting vegetables. Oh, this is Cape gooseberry. I planted this for the first time, and mashallah is producing fruits for me. This is the naga chili. Oh, mashallah, look, it's producing heavily. Nice. Smells fresh. I'm looking forward to my fish curry tonight with my Kaddu. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share the video with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.